Imagine a scenario at work where stress is mounting with numerous tasks and looming deadlines. In such moments, finding a comfortable spot to practice the box breathing technique can be a simple yet effective way to alleviate stress and restore a sense of calm. Visualize a square or box in your mind, using it as a guide for your breath. As you begin, inhale slowly, picturing yourself climbing one side of the box, counting to 4 as your lungs fill with air. Upon reaching the top, hold your breath for a duration of 1 to 5 seconds, imagining the movement across the box's upper side. Exhale gradually, imagining the drop down the opposite side of the box, and count to 4 as you release the air. Pause at the bottom for an additional 1 to 5 seconds, sensing as if you are moving along the box's lower side. Repeat this breathing cycle 7 to 10 times, maintaining a focused awareness of your breath and the imaginary box. Whether you choose to practice this technique while sitting or standing, the beauty of box breathing lies in its versatility. You can seamlessly incorporate it into your routine, whether you find yourself at work, at home, or on the go. This uncomplicated yet powerful relaxation method offers a practical means of managing stress and introducing moments of peace into your daily life.